Hello, Jose from Power Construction and Roofing. This is Joel from JND SEO. We spoke briefly today and I told you I'd send you this video over. So Jose, first things, I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste mine and make this as quick as possible. At the end of the video, you want to hear more info? That's awesome. Let's set up a time. If not, no problem. Take the tips and strategies I give you and you guys could apply them. So I'm on your website. First thing we'll talk about is content. So I see you guys have some projects that you've done. That's a huge roof. You guys do talk about why people should use you, why customers should, your services that you offer, roofing, gutters, siding, chimneys. You do have some content there. You got your reviews and you've got some of your contact info. So one thing I would recommend is just having even more content on your homepage. Ideally, you want to have over 1,000 words of content. And the reason that you want so many words is that the more words you have, the more keyword phrases such as roofing, Natick, MA, like I put in here, that you can put into that content. And the first thing you'll see with any Google search is you have these older ads here, which are company names with ad in front of it, the websites. And then you have these new ones, which are the Google guaranteed ads. I think because they put these first, you obviously know they're better. And these ones will give you more verified results, less tire kickers, people who are serious and are looking right now for roofing needs. And then after that, we have the map setting. The top 3 companies will show up in this kind of preview screen. And this is all based on citations. The way you can get citations is by submitting your company name, address, and phone number into directory sites such as Google, Yelp, Home Advisor, Yahoo even has them. There's a lot of different ones, but not all of them are created equal. After that, we have the organic section. This is where companies start to show up with their websites. And you'll see some companies have multiple pages that are on these as well. So if we were ranking this keyword, roofing, Natick, MA, the number 1 spot would go to Olin Roofing. The number 2 spot would go to the Better Business Bureau. Number 3 would go to Roofing Contractors in Framingham. All right, and that might be a contractor site, which isn't a business. I'm not real sure on that one. And then after that, we have Home Advisor, another directory site. And then we have Yelp, another directory. So you'll see 10 results per page. Just remember that when we talk a little bit more specific about keywords later. And after that, you'll see there's more ads at the bottom of the page. So remember, you got to be in the top 10, though. That's the important takeaway to rank on the first page for a keyword. So I took your website, powerconstructionroofing.com, and I put it into a program called Ahrefs. This allows me to kind of see what's going on the website behind the scenes. So if you think of the internet as a popularity contest, whoever has the most votes is going to get the most attention and the most views. So you guys right now have 29 referring domains, which just means there's 29 other sites online that have links on them back to your page. And those are called backlinks. So there's 29 sites that have 313 links back to your page. You guys right now have 83 keywords that you can be searched and found for on, search engines such as Google. And that's really what drives the traffic. And that's bringing right now 29 visitors to your site per month. It's on a monthly basis. So we can actually go ahead and click your keywords and see, where your traffic is coming from. First thing we see is your company name or different variations of it. So the first one, Power Construction Roofing, 20 people do search this every month. And for this one, you guys are number 1. So excellent job. You're the first result that comes up in the organic section, which means, basically people looking for you by name. And this is going to be, of course, your referral business, repeat business. Maybe they saw your sign but didn't get the contact info. So this is really business you should have. You really do want to be in the first page for all these, ideally top 5 if possible, because you don't want to miss out on business that should be yours, right? They're looking for you. So you guys have a couple variations. This one here, Power Contractors, 150. You're number 9 on, so you are on the first page towards the bottom, but you did drop 1 spot, looks like recently, so you might move up a little bit in that one because it does have more volume. And then, so you want to have, all of your own name, but you also want to have keywords that are going to bring in new customers. So that's going to be ones like this, right? Roofing Contractors, Natick, MA. So 20 people do search this every month. You guys are number 6. So good job on that one. You're just outside the top 5. Really, the first goal is get top 10 for everything, right? And then from there, you want to get top 5. And then that's going to bring in a lot more of that traffic. And then if you can get top 3 from there, that's where you really will start to see your numbers just kind of double and triple up. Then we have Roofing Natick MA. 30 people do search that. You guys are number 8 for that one, so towards the bottom of the first page. So just as an example, I want to show you guys Olin Roofing, one of your competitors in the area. And I did the same thing. I put them into Ahrefs. They have 127 referring domains, sending them back over 400 links, over 2,000 keywords they can be found for, and that's basically bringing them over 1,000 people to their site per month. So let's take a look at their keywords. I know they do have their name up there pretty high. So there we go, Olin Roofing with the apostrophe. 300, they're number 1 for that one, so they're really getting their own business, which they should be. Then you have it without the apostrophe and with the different spacing. 250 on that one, number 1. But then they do have a lot of Boston keywords, so you will see Boston Roofer here, 150. They're number 1, so I mean there's a lot of volume there. Then we have Roofing Massachusetts, a little more vague. If you do most of Mass, that could be a good one. 100, number 1. Roofing Boston MA, 100, number 1. Roof Boston, 150, number 2. Roofing Contractors Boston, 80, number 1. And here's a good one, Randolph Roofing, 300, number 5. So you can see just from these top results here, you know, this alone should put them over 1,000, right? Just these top, you know, what is it, 7 keywords or so, because they're number 1 for every single one except they have 2 for Roof Boston and they're number 2 for this variation of their name. So you can just kind of see the difference between being where you guys are at and being like 1, 2, right? All right, guys, so that's just a little bit about content, backlinks, citations. This is my number if you guys want to talk some more about some strategy and what we could do for you guys. If you're not interested, don't worry. Take the tips I gave you guys, apply them to your site. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you.